It's your girl Lizzy, and you're watching Lizzy's TV. So today we coming to you with an unboxing. This is called Sisters Unboxing. This is my lovely sister Ashley.
Hello, YouTube.
So say hi, Ashley.
Hello, YouTube.
Hey. So we're gonna do an unboxing for y'all today. Actually, this is another one from Itech Deals, the surprise box of tech. So we would actually wanted to see if we're gonna get the same thing, or if there's different stuff in here, or even if I got something different from the last box that I had. So I'm gonna also tell you guys, you already know, if you like the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and hit the bell for more upcoming videos. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and we're gonna start opening the boxes. We got our little knives here, so let's go. There we go.
Oh,
Got yours right here.
thank you.
So let's go. Let's see what we got. I was really satisfied with the last box that I had, so I was pretty cool with that. Like I said, a lot of, as far as headsets and all that stuff, I've been purchasing them over and over and over again. So the ones that I got out the last box so far, they're still working. So, all right, what you got?
Alright, so you go first?
It don't matter.
Alright, I go first. So what is this? A $50 gift card from HelloFresh. I don't know if I'll be able to use that, but we'll see. When you have one of these that you can...
I had a HelloFresh, yes I did, and I also did an unboxing for the HelloFresh box.
You can use it in Michigan.
So you will definitely be seeing that video as well coming up soon.
Okay. Alright, y'all, let's see what's up in here. This is some headsets. Let's take this off the pack for y'all. And these are nice. Got some headsets. And I guess they light up. I don't know. Light pulse. They glows to the beat. So that's kind of sweet.
So yeah, we're going to do it this way. We're going to turn our boxes a little sideways like this so it'll be a little bit easier. Whoop, now I'm dropping stuff.
But it looks good to me. Like everything lights up. And a wine voucher, y'all. I got a wine voucher. $100. Wine voucher.
Nice. I've seen that before.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cute. And then, got the same. That's the charger.
Charger dot.
Yeah. Charger dot. Here we go.
Yeah.
Yep, got these USB ports, these cable kits.
So those actually work on your computer, your iPhone, iPad, or tablet, or whatever you got.
Yeah.
So that's what all three of those is for. See, last time when I did it, I didn't know exactly what they all went to, but yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm an Android person, so I think I can only use 2 of these, maybe. I think this one's for iPhone.
Android girl.
This is another for iPhone, the light pulse charger, which I can't use because I'm Android.
Yeah, that's why it's a mystery, y'all.
Kiss Link Smart Grill Nano. Oh, this is a thermometer.
A thermometer.
Yeah, so you can see the temperature. I think. Let me see. Yeah, for your food.
Oh,
yeah,
neat.
Yeah.
Great.
So this cool, y'all. Here we go again.
I hope I got one of those in my box.
Amazon Basics. I don't know what this is. 3-button.
Open it up.
USB.
Because I got the same thing in this box.
What do you do with that little knife? Let me see. Alright, y'all. So this is a mouse.
This is a mouse.
This is a mouse, guys.
Hey, works for me.
So this is a mouse, yeah. Okay. There we go, a mouse.
Alright. So what you think about your stuff over there?
And I think that's it in this box. So it's cool. So it is a couple of pieces in here I can use. My daughter, she iPhone, so I guess she'll take all the iPhone little gadgets. And that's it. Oops. Sorry.
Right. And you guys, you know, you guys are really gonna be thinking like, because I'm really not gonna do the same thing over. But while she was pulling this stuff out, I'm looking at my box, and I got the same thing.
Ain't that
so? This was the first one, the last item she pulled out. This was a mouse. So let me see. Even it might be a different color. So let me see if it's a different color. That would be nice if it's other than black. It might be other than black. No.
We got identical boxes.
We got identical boxes, you guys. Identical. And I can't even get it out. I'm trying to get it out of here. Yeah. But even still, I could use this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is cool. I most definitely could use a couple of these pieces.
I like that thermometer because I really needed that. I was actually going to order one for when I get ready to start doing the cooking shows that I haven't got to. So yeah, the same thing. We got the same thing, girl. We got the same
exact same box.
I'm still excited though because I'm just excited with all this kind of stuff. Now, if you guys recall, if you looked at the last unboxing that I did from Itech Deals, I got this last time. I got this last time. I got this last time, the charger dock. I got that last time.
Sure did. And that, yep, we had that last time.
Yep, I also got these in the last box. And I did get a set of headphones, but they were orange. These are pink. So that's great. I'm keeping those too. Because I can use them. I go through headsets like it's like a man.
Yeah, I do too.
I'm always at the store spending $5 here, $10 here, you know, and always at 5 and below spending some money on headsets and stuff.
Yeah.
So we got some.
Yeah, I got some in the box. Oh, no,
Bubble wrap.
Hi. My box have none in the box.
Yes, we do. There you go, right there, girl. I can't see.
All right, here we go. Yeah, I keep headsets because I lose mine. So I stopped actually buying the Bluetooth because I always lose them.
I got the same card. And I got the same wine card. So these two items were in the last box. And I can't wait to tell y'all how this went. Ooh, I can't wait.
What do they?
I haven't did the wine one yet. Yeah, okay. I'll give you a brief. I'll give you a brief on it because I did a video on it. Evidently, I ain't posted it yet. That's right. I was gonna say evidently she ain't watched it, but I ain't posted it yet. But basically, what it is they will send you a box of food. Now, what I ended up ordering was I ordered a box of food. It was 6 servings, so it's like 3 servings for 2 people. The thing was, I did not use my card, the $50 card. I ended up using their coupon because their coupon was $30 off. Whereas with this card, it's $25 per box. So they split this card in half. You can't use this $50 card on one box.
Are you serious?
I'm absolutely serious, and that was kind of devastating. So I really wasn't planning on paying anything, but I ended up paying $23 out of pocket.
Well, this say $25 off your first 2 boxes anyway.
Right, first 2 boxes. So, which means you'll be buying boxes before you even finish this, so you're still gonna come out of your pocket with some money. Like I said, it really didn't work for me, but some people might enjoy it.
30 days to claim this card. So it is a time limit on it.
So you guys, I will be posting that video for you too. And looks like I got similar to the same things before. So that would definitely be the last Itech Deals unboxing.
You have to order it like a couple of months later.
Yeah, I'll
maybe
probably
have
wait
some
a few
different.
months. Yeah, a few months later. They claim after they do 100 boxes or whatever, randomly they supposed to put you an iPad or a tablet or something in there. And I'm like, you know what? All these people that be ordering these boxes, I'm sure.
Just randomly.
I haven't heard anybody got the iPad yet.
I'm sure they gave out 100 boxes.
Yeah, I'm sure. Shit, I done bought 2. So there you go.
And this is my first one, so. But these are some cool gadgets.
Yeah, they cool. I do like the gadgets that they give you. I mean, they're very usable. You know, I got this one. This one is really nice. When you plug it up, you can see the lights on it, and the lights go around and around and around. But one thing I noticed when I did use this particular item, it got very, very hot. It made my phone hot, and the cord was very, very hot. So when you use it, just make sure, you know, you pay attention to it. Don't put it on your phone and go to sleep. You know, like most of us do, we charge our phone up. And do not charge it up in your bed. Please do not. Matter of fact, don't even keep your cell phone in your bed.
Yeah.
But with that being said, anytime with this thing here, it gets pretty hot. So for me, it did. I don't know what everybody else's other experience was with it, but for me, it got very, very hot, and that's not a good thing.
Right.
So we actually done, and we enjoy our items, and we're going to continue to use these items.
Yes.
And especially my pink little headsets, I really love them. But you guys, my sister, she has her own little, she has her website. She can explain to you what she's doing.
So yeah, you guys can check me out on Posh. I'm sure a lot of y'all know what Poshmark is. At yours truly 85. So check me out. And there you go.
And you might see something on there you like. And maybe one day down long in the future, she might do mystery boxes on Poshmark for you. So with that being said, if you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. So we're going to say good night, and we love you all, and continue to watch Lizzy's TV. Bye.
Bye, YouTube.